Hello everyone! 레이첼입니다. Welcome back to First Time in My Kitchen, and for today, I will prepare red leaf lettuce fritters. The recipe was inspired from Koreanet live stream of Korean temple food last July 2. Let's give it a try! For the main ingredients, we'll have lettuce and flour. For the batter, we'll have flour, water, and salt. And for the sauce, we'll have soy sauce, lemon, tomatoes, and onions. And of course, salt and pepper to taste. And these are all the ingredients. First, we'll make the sauce: tomatoes, onions, soy sauce, lemon, and salt and pepper to taste. Let's mix it and keep it refrigerated. It's time to cook! Let's heat the pan and spread the oil. Add your battered lettuce. Cook both sides until golden brown. Miane! I failed the first one. Let's try again. Tasting time! It's chewy and tasty. You should try this. See you next time!